Okay, we're at Studio City, and we're gonna go in and film. Right here is Joyride, kind of an American one, Polygas. So we're just gonna walk into the mall, and we're gonna go look for something to eat. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Eat. And just kind of show you what we can see. This is called Studio City. And it looks like they got a show, but it's COVID time, so everything's actually closed. I mean, more or less closed for foreigners. No foreigners are allowed in Macau, only Chinese from China. That's it. I think also China are the only ones that can come in without a quarantine. I think people from Hong Kong and maybe Taiwan can come in with a 2-week quarantine, but nobody can come in from, if you're going to come in from Europe or Australia or somewhere like that, there's no way. And they say maybe mid-2021. So this is Studio City. It's kind of quiet. And it kind of has a theme, kind of mixes with America for sure. And then the food court area kind of mixes with Macau themes. I filmed it recently. It's probably still the same. Subway, there's a casino floor. They have these little New York subway station, and look, I used to live in New York, so I remember seeing stuff that looked exactly like that. And these little bears are in quite a few of these casinos. They're in Venetian and Parisian as well. I don't know if Studio City is owned by that as well. And there's also the Londoner that's going to be coming as well. So we're going to keep on going. Yeah, you can see this one is next to the border too. So there's a entrance into mainland China, into Zhuhai, and it's right next to this casino. But it's open, but it's just a trickle of people that come in. This is Legend Heroes Park, and it's like all this kind of futuristic, robotic stuff. But like everything else here, it's closed. And there's the casino. I think I can't film in the direction of the project in progress, so it's not even really running. Big candy store right here. Huh. Has like those little seatings like the United States. And then down here, there actually is a food court there's some food down here, and then there's also some stuff up that way too. So maybe we'll just go down this way. So that's this way. Sweet and sticky is all the candy. Then we're gonna keep going this way. Huh. This is some of the food court in here as well. And up there, there's a food court, but it's closed. So we won't even go up that way. But if you want to see it, I've definitely filmed in that area before. This one is popsicles. Looks like whatever it is, it's closed. Yeah, it's closed too. Looks pretty cool though. And this is kind of the main drag right here. Japanese restaurant. I think this Japanese is one of the few that's open. Big Hollywood Hills sign. Studio City. And we're probably gonna eat in this Japanese restaurant. Looks pretty tasty. Then if you go upstairs, there's it's dead. I filmed it maybe just a few weeks ago, so if you search, I'll try to connect it to the end here so you can see it, because the last time I came up through the top, then I went through the top and out, and I would have filmed the food court is actually pretty cool. That's the part that has like a nice Macau theme to it. But I didn't film down on the ground floor last time, so I might as well film it this time. Might be coming back to that Japanese restaurant right there in a little bit. But we'll just walk a little bit further. So yeah, this is Studio City. Pretty good space, but it's always been quite empty. But it has the capacity to have a lot more people for sure. And let's see, Rossi Trattoria, must be Japanese, must be Italian, I mean. That must be that pizza place. I'm kind of craving Japanese food though, so. And let's just see. Got all that money. So, okay, so if we go down that way a little bit, there's that's the way I came in the other video, so I think I'm gonna go back to the Japanese restaurant, but we'll just kind of capture some of the look of this area. Being has a double meaning. There's a Chinese word that would make total sense in Chinese. Sounds like a name, somebody's name maybe, I'm not 100% sure. But being in English is like being, human being, to exist. And looks like an ice cream one. American Cinematheque. That's a casino. So I think what we'll do is we'll close that right there. Then we're gonna go, I think this is the only open place right here, this Hiri Yamamoto. Hopefully it's not too expensive, then we'll eat there. We need Egyptian, some kind of LA reference. Okay, that's it for Studio City. Chiquinha, chiquinha.